In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add favicon to GoHighLevel Funnel or site. A favicon is that tiny icon you see in the browser tab next to your page title. It helps your brand stand out, makes your site look polished, and makes it easier for visitors to find your tab among many. We'll keep this simple and straightforward. First, open your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to Media Storage. This is your built-in library for images and files, and it's exactly where we'll host the favicon file so it can be referenced by your site. Before you upload, a quick one-take tip. Use a square image, ideally 32 by 32 or 64 by 64 pixels. PNG works great, and a transparent background often looks the cleanest. Click Upload and select your favicon file from your computer. Once the upload finishes, find that file in your library. Open the three-dot menu next to it and choose Get Link. This gives you a direct URL to the file that your site can use. Copy that link and keep it handy. You'll paste it in just a moment. If you ever replace the file later, remember that the link might change, so you'd repeat this step to grab the new URL. Now move over to the Sites area and GoHighLevel. This is where your funnels and websites live. Open the specific funnel or site you want to brand with your favicon. Inside that project, go to the Settings section. You'll see a field labeled favicon URL. Click into that field and paste the link you copied from Media Storage. This tells your funnel or site exactly where to fetch the icon. When you're done, click Save to apply the change. That's it. The favicon is now connected. Keep in mind, browsers cache favicons pretty aggressively, so the new icon might not appear instantly in every tab. If you don't see it right away, give it a little time. Also, avoid deleting the file from Media Storage. Your site relies on that URL to display the favicon. If the file is removed, the icon will disappear from your live pages. To recap, you uploaded your icon to Media Storage, grabbed its link from the three-dot menu, opened your site or funnel, pasted the link into the favicon URL field, and saved. With that, your tabs will carry your brand wherever visitors browse. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the cleaner, more professional look across your GoHighLevel pages.